Remove the two power source wires. If you inspect them, one may possibly have burnt out. If so, the kit comes with a replacement wire. Remove the 3 screws, one long one, 2 short ones. Remove the pressure switch. Take out the diaphragm insert. There will be 3 pieces. Reinsert the spring holder. Insert the spring. And finally the seat. Use the new seat from the repair kit and reinsert. Make sure it sits flush. There's also a Teflon seat, which is optional. Replace the trigger switch and tighten all 3 screws. Finally, hook the power source back up.